video is an installation overview for Sinister Diesel's intercooler charge pipe kit for 2003 to 2007 5.9 liter Cummins truck. In the kit you will have the hot side and cold side tubing with threaded ports on the cold side, the necessary boots and clamps, a 2018 catalog, and a Sinister Diesel sticker. To begin this installation, start by removing the air intake system from the turbo. Then we can remove the 11mm clamp holding on the hot side boot to the turbo outlet and remove the boot and intercooler tubing from the intercooler. Once the factory intercooler tubing is removed, we can install the Sinister Diesel boot onto the turbo outlet using the supplied boots and clamps. And then finish installing the piping onto the intercooler. Make sure the clamps are secure onto the boot and the intercooler tubing in the proper locations. We don't want any of these clamps coming loose or creating an air leak in the system. Once the hot side of the intercooler piping kit is finished, we can move on to the cold side on the driver's side of the truck. I'm going to start by removing this pipe from the intercooler with the same 11mm clamps, and then remove the factory piece and install the Sinister Diesel intercooler pipe. With the factory piece removed, the Sinister Diesel intercooler pipe can be installed on the cold side. Going to need to connect the boot to the existing intake air horn and connect it using the Sinister Diesel boots and clamps that are provided in the kit. With all of the intercooler piping, boots, and clamps in their proper positions and tightened, we can now run the truck and check for any air leaks. Once that is complete, this installation is finished. I want to thank you very much for watching. For more information about performance products, please contact Sinister Diesel on the web or toll free at 833-507-7181. Thank you.